Hi everyone, it's me Avinash. So today we are going to learn how to install Nop-Commerce in our local machine. So the first thing you need to do is go to Google, search Nop-Commerce, and then the first link that pops up is of Nop-Commerce. Click on that. So in Nop-Commerce website we get two options. Let's go to the view live demo. So again there are two options given to us, the admin panel and the front end. Let's first go to the front end. And default template is given to us. It is a simple and beautiful design. If you want to go to the detail page, just click on one of the link. So here you can see the detail page, also the related product given to us. Let's go to admin panel. So the default email and password is given to us. Make sure you don't copy the space in front of admin, and the password is admin. So click login. Then we enter the dashboard. So from this part you are able to manipulate the data of the front end. Now let's go to download the Nop-Commerce. Click on download for free. So here you can see there are two options given to us. So we have to choose the second one, Nop-Commerce 3.8 source code. So if you already have an account, just type in your username and password. Otherwise you go to the register, fill in all the details, then register, type in your username and password, then you will be redirected to the download page. So click on Nop 3.8. So after downloading you will get a zip file. Unzip it, click on Nop-Commerce source and then the source file. So it will open in Visual Studio. Click on noob.web, then debug it in your default browser. So it will open in your browser. So here's the installation part. This is the default email address given to us. Write your password and confirm password. You have to check the create sample data. For the database information, use the SQL server. So either you can enter raw connection string or you can enter the SQL connection values. So it needs SQL server name, database name, username and password. So just type in this field. So you can get the SQL name going to the SQL Management Studio. Click on connect, then database engine, then you will get a server name, then just connect. So if your authentication is of SQL Server account, you can just check it on the drop down. The next thing we need to do is create a database. Right click on database and then type in your database name. So for this time we are using noob underscore demo. Just select it, then okay, then it will create a database for you. Go to the installation page, then type in your database name, then install. So the installation process will complete. This is the end result of the installation. you get Nop-Commerce installed on your local machine. Click on administration. So sometimes you get page not found. Don't worry, just go to the solution, then right click on noob.admin, click on clean, right click on the noob.admin again, then click build. So after that, just one click on noob.web, start debugging. Then on clicking the administration, you will go to the admin panel. So this is all for installation of Nop-Commerce in our local machine. So in the next video, I will be making new plugins from scratch. Thank you for watching. So stay tuned for more videos.